road leading up to where I'm camping right now. So hang on. This is not the worst of it. I'm about to pause you and then I'll get back with you. So this is where it starts getting a little gnarly, right about here. I don't know if you can see those rocks. Yeah, there you go. All right, so this is where it's getting a little bit more, and you see it starting to get worse. So another pause. And this is where it starts getting a little bit more dicey. There's two vehicles. Oh, let me zoom out. If there are two vehicles coming up right here, only one vehicle can get through, especially if it's a wide vehicle coming up. Then, yeah, somebody has to pull in to those trees right there, let that vehicle come up, and then he backs back up and gets back on the road. So now it starts to become almost a two-level road. Yeah, and you sort of got to pick where you want your tires to go. Mine, I kept along the side here, so because I have high ground clearance, so I went up this side right here. But this is where it gets really bumpy. And so this, like I said, this is where it starts getting really bumpy. Got those, see if I can focus in on it. Where is it at? Up here somewhere. Two big rocks sticking up. But anyhow, yeah, it gets pretty tricky up here. And it gets here, you just basically need to decide where you're going to hit that crack at. I went over this way, so I could pretty much go kind of head on it, because I went up this way and then I turned that way. So, but we're almost at my spot. There's the BLM sign. So let me know what you thought. A few small hairy spots, gnarly spots, but it is doable. And here's some of the vehicles that have actually gotten up here. So this guy made it. That guy made it. Several of them. And this is the areas. I mean, you even have that guy there is not in an area like I'm in, where it's where the grass is gone. But a lot of areas to park up here, and a lot of wildlife up here. Got cows around here like coming out the wazoo. Well, I just wouldn't say wazoo, but there's quite a few cows. Saw them eating grass this morning. But anyhow, this is where I'm at, right here. I probably could have parked more along the road here, but I didn't. And I'll probably disconnect the bus in, the next few days, so I can go fill it up with gas and then bring it back and hook it back up to the trailer. And then I just ride my bike, the trike around town. I don't know how to pronounce it. Salida, Salida. But anyhow, it's only like about 8 miles away, whereas Buena Vista is 25 miles away. So I'll probably be going in town to get my packages. I gotta call them today and find out what the general delivery. Why am I talking? I'll have to ask them what the general delivery address is, and if I need anything special put on it. But anyhow, hopefully see you on the next video. All right, so once you get to the top of the mountain, it's beautiful up here. Let me show you what we got. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Gorgeous. Rolling hills, snow-capped mountains. What can you not love about this place? And of course, there's my rig. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and hope to see you back here.